X and y are real numbers. Xy equal to 25. X squared minus y squared equal to 100. We want to find x and y. In first step, I use replacements. I say, okay, y is not 0 because if y was 0, then left hand side was 0, so right hand side cannot be 25. We divide, let's divide both sides by x, then y equal to 25 over x. Then we use replace. We replace x with y with 25 over x. So it will be x squared minus 25 over x squared equal to 100. Now, here by power rule, we know that a over b, power of m, we can say a to the power of m over b to the power of m when they are positive numbers. So here it will be x squared minus 25 squared over x squared equal to 100. Now, next step, we multiply both sides by x squared. So it will be another thing that you should know, a to the m times a to the n equal to a to the m plus the left hand side will be x to the 4 minus 25 squared equal to 100x squared. Now let's see what can we do. We take all things to left hand side, will be x to the 4 minus 100x squared. Instead of 25 squared, we can write 625 equal to 0. So here I can replace x squared with, we can say with z. X squared equal to, let's say z equal to x squared. So x to the 4, we can write it. Why? We know that a to the m n equal to a to the m times to the n. So instead of x to the 4, we write x squared minus 100x squared minus 625 equal to 0. Okay. Now, in next step, we can say instead of x squared, we write z squared. Let's write it. It's better to write it here. Z equal to x squared. So it will be left hand side. Z squared minus 100z minus 625 equal to 0. And it is a quadratic function in terms of z. Okay, let's erase these things. If you want to use quadratic formula, we can say if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here we can say z equal to negative 100 plus minus square root of negative 100 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which will be negative 625. And all over what? 2a, which is 2 times 1. Okay. So let's erase this part to have more space. 625. Okay. 5. So for calculating this part, if we simplify, it will be 100 plus minus 10,000 minus 4 times 625. 4 times 5, 20. We have 2. 4 times 2, 8 plus 2, 0. We have 1. 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, and over 2. So if we simplify, we can conclude that z equal to 100 plus minus 7,500 all over 2. And if you divide by 2, it will be 100 plus minus, you divide by 4. And it will be 135, 8, 30, 7, 25. Okay. So our answer will be this. Oh, sorry, I forgot to divide. You should divide also 100 by 2. It will be 50. Because 50 is the square root of 2000, both of them are positive. Why they should be non-negative number? Because that is x squared. So we can say this number is x squared. So x is plus minus square root of 50 plus minus square root of 1875. So we found four answers because we have 2 plus minus or x. Now we found four values for x and y is 25 over x. Let's write x equal to plus minus square root of, let's write it again, 50 plus minus 1875. And y we know equal to what is 25 over x. So y will be 25 all over plus minus related 50 plus minus 1875. So we found four answers for x and y in real numbers. If you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell and like the video. Thanks. Bye.